Hello guys, nice to meet you in this my channel AI with Zubi. If this is the first time you are coming to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click this bell button so that anytime I drop any video, you'll be among the first people that will get the notification of the video I drop. So without wasting much of your time, in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube thumbnail using AI and using ChatGPT specifically. So, and we have to, we should not forget, AI is something that you give instruction and AI will now give you a correct and accurate answer to that same instruction given to it. So, AI just used to think like human being, but there is no human being. So, and we are using ChatGPT. And we should not forget, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube videos or YouTube content used to be, there's one that will be a YouTube short and there's a long form of video in YouTube. So in ChatGPT or using AI, AI can design any type of thumbnail you ask AI to design, but depending on the instruction given to the AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube long video thumbnail. And normally, a long video used to be horizontal, then short video used to be vertical. But this one, we are going to do the thumbnail of horizontal video using ChatGPT. So, okay, now without wasting much of your time, don't forget to like this video, please. And if you are not yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna open a Chat GPT, and AI has so many type of applications. Like the ones I have in this folder here. Look at them here. We have Flow, I have Gemini, I have Meta AI, I have Tinker, I have Cloud, I have ChatGPT, I have Quen, and a lot more in my phone here. And each and every AI application here has a significant work that is doing for me. So let's click on ChatGPT right now. Like as you can see, this video, the thumbnail you see in this very video you are watching, I designed it using ChatGPT. And look at this is the thumbnail here. This is the thumbnail here, but I'm not here to show you this one. I'm here to design a fresh new thumbnail for you guys to see. And the instruction given to ChatGPT or to given to any AI application, that instruction, it has a specific name that is being called. The name is prompt. When we say prompt is an instruction given to any AI application or given to AI so that it will give you a specific result that you are asking that AI to give you. So now we are going to write a prompt. And let me tell you, I want to just write a prompt. I want this AI ChatGPT to design a thumbnail for me on how to make money online. I just want this thumbnail to appear like, okay, how to make money online. So let's go. Let me just type the prompt here. I'll say, help me design a YouTube thumbnail with the title of how to make money online. You see, this instruction that I asked ChatGPT to give me, this is what you call a prompt. So as I said this, if there is another thing that I can add in this prompt that will make my thumbnail to look very, very attractive and very catchy. You understand? So I asked him, I want this title, how to make money online, to appear on the thumbnail. So I can also say, make the thumbnail very attention driving. Let's say very attention driving. Like ChatGPT should I ask ChatGPT to make this thumbnail attention driving so that anybody that is scrolling on YouTube, immediately you reach that thumbnail, you just read the thumbnail, and with the appearance of that thumbnail, it will attract you, it will drive your attention to click on that video. You understand? So this is just a simple prompt that I use right now. because there are so many ways to instruct ChatGPT or to instruct any AI application to design something for you, and it will yield a very, very good positive result. So let's send this prompt and wait for our thumbnail. Look at it here. They say creating image. So they are designing the thumbnail for us based on the instruction given to them, based on the prompt given to ChatGPT. So let's wait for the results. And do not forget, AI, with AI now, there is nothing AI cannot give you. As far as you have given AI a very good prompt. There is what we call a prompt, something prompt mechanic. No, there's if you study prompt very well, you'll be getting a very nice result. Look at it now. Look at our thumbnail here. Check it up here. How to make money online. Any thumbnail, the title, the write-up on thumbnail should be bold so that it can be easily seen and read. That one will attract someone to click on. Look at it now. The boldness of that title will attract someone, and also the dollars placed under this under the title here, that one will still explain the as in explain more about the video you are about to watch immediately you come across this thumbnail. And also the expression of this guy here, the expression of this guy will also attract you, like to click on this video and to listen and to watch this video and learn something from it. So even the expression, and also if you check the upper right corner, the ChatGPT wrote something that anyone can do this. You see, so anyone can do this and make money online. So like this thumbnail is very, very accurate and professional, and you can also try it. And please, if you want me to do any kind of thumbnail, just write in the comment section of this video and I'll help you create that thumbnail. I'll help you make a video on how to do that thumbnail. I'll help you create a video on how to write a prompt of such kind of thumbnail. Please, if you have any thumbnail that you want me to do video about it, I'll help you. Then don't forget, even short videos on YouTube used to have thumbnail. So I'll help you in my, maybe I'll promise you I will do a video on how to create a short YouTube video thumbnail and how to place it while you are editing your video. You understand? So if please, and don't forget, if this is the first time you are watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the bell button so that anytime I drop any content, you will be among the first people that will get a notification and watch this video and gain something from it. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.